In this video, we will talk about how to fix EXE not opening Windows 11. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Repair.exe file. To reset .exe file, click in Search, type cmd, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type assoc.exe equals exe file and press Enter. I have mentioned the command in the description. Now click on Windows icon and restart your computer to apply the changes. Method 2. Modify the registry. Incorrect registry settings can prevent .exe files from running, so we need to make some changes in registry. Click in Search, type Registry. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now you have to be in .exe folder. I have mentioned the location in description. From there you can copy-paste in here. Or simply expand HKey class's root folder and search for .exe folder. Now, double-click on the default entry and set its value to exe file. After this, you have to be in command folder. Copy-paste the location from the description. Once you will be in this location, double-click on the default entry and set its value to same. Now, close the registry editor and restart your computer. So that's how you have to fix EXE not opening Windows 11. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods linked in the pinned comment below. That's all for today. See you in the next video.